Between work and home, most people spend more than 70% of their time indoors. And indoor air quality is an essential part of a healthy environment. That's especially true during and after renovations. Module 12 offers valuable information on healthy renovations and how to avoid potential indoor air quality problems at work and at home. Whether you're a building or facility manager having to manage a renovation in your building or simply live through a renovation in your home, it can be daunting. The health of workers and occupants must be considered before, during, and after renovations. Issues can arise from disruption of existing materials, installation of new materials, and poor work methods. Every indoor air quality issue requires understanding the what, where, and how of controlling contaminants. What are contaminants? Where are the problem sources? How to obtain healthy solutions. We often say renovate safely, but also renovate in and for good health by maintaining good indoor air quality throughout your renovations. You can find our module for healthy renovations on iaqforum.ca under the tab for IAQ Guides.